perfect blend of unique style and excellent drivability, this handsome 68 C10 is a first-rate exercise in old-school charm and street rod swagger. If you're in the market for something that's guaranteed to hold its appeal for a very long time, it's hard to go wrong with a lust-worthy truck. Built to debut Speedtech Performance's Pro Touring C10 chassis at SEMA, this incredible Chevy was assembled by Tom Argue Design of Clearwater, Florida. The build began with a new cab that was fitted with one-piece side glass and relieved of its drip rails. The truck's bed floor was raised 4 inches and fashioned around 3-inch widened wheel tubs, and that solid profile was eventually blanketed in Porsche Carrera white that's dressed in satin tungsten accents and dashed with red pinstripes. Wrapped in Dynamat, lined in cat skin, and detailed in houndstooth, there's enough contrast to keep the cockpit interesting without breaking the limits of good taste. The star of the show is power-operated buckets that were sourced from a 2008 Silverado. The dash hangs modern gauges next to buttons for both the transmission and ignition. Cruising is optimized by modern air conditioning and Pioneer touchscreen audio, and steering is channeled through a flat-bottom wheel, which spins paddle shifters around a tilting column. Under the hood, you'll find 6.2 liters of Divine Chevy small block, known as the LS376. The crate engine is rated at 525 horsepower and 486 pound-feet. Dressed to impress, that engine sends power to a 4L65E 4-speed and Ford 9-inch with 390 gears. If you're looking for a unique classic that mixes killer style with plenty of right foot fun, this Chevy deserves your full attention. It's fast, it looks good, and most importantly, it's a quality build that'll provide years of great memories. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.